But right now, I really gotta go to the bathroom. And Lexi's in the bathroom. Babe, you almost done? Because I'm about to pee myself. So we're off to see Kylie, our oldest grandchild, whose birthday is today. She turns a whopping 15. She thinks, yeah. Well, leave it to Kylie. Kylie's turning 32. But no, Kylie's turned 12. She is 12 today. And she's such a smart and intelligent young lady. And she's beautiful. Because she looks like her grandma. This grandma. She looks like this grandma. Lexi's in Publix right now. We just coming from seeing Kylie, so that was great. But she had plans this week, today for her birthday, so we made plans with her on Wednesday so we could take her out and go do something fun with her on Wednesday. But Lexi's at Publix right now, picking up something for dinner and something to eat from the hot bar for lunch because we're hungry. Your boy's hungry. She gave me shit because when we left, she was like, hey, do you want to eat something? And I was like, yeah, I just have a bowl of yogurt. Like, I'm fine right now. Well, then after like an hour and a half, 2 hours of being there, I was like, okay, I'm hungry. So she gave me shit. She was like, I told you to eat before we left. I'm saying, like, I'm not a kid, but but in reality, yeah, I probably should have ate before I left because now I'm hungry. I pulled over real quick so that I can close out the order that I just came from because it was supposed to be a leave at door and the customer was walking outside, and so I was able to hand it to her. So I didn't have to take the photo, but I have to notate that or I won't get paid. So I had to pull over real quick, and I look up and there's a cop pulled over on the side. No lights on or nothing, but I was like, I don't know. Let me hurry up because I don't know what he thinks I'm doing. So I was like, let me get out of here. But the night is young, baby. We just made quick $18. I'm excited. Let me tell you what my dumbass did. So I got an order that was really confusing. Like when I picked it up, they were like, hey, the order said this building, but they text me and was like, hey, I'm in the lobby of this building. Call when you get here, whatever. But I didn't have address to that other building, so I got the address to the order. So anyway, the order, when you pull into the front of the building, it's like a circular driveway. So now I pull up, and there's an older couple there, and they're like, hey, come here. So I'm like, I come close, I roll down my window as I got closer, and I'm like, Danielle? And she's like, he said, yeah. So I said, oh, all right, I'm here. And that dude's face looked at me like, who the fuck cares? Why'd you just do that? And yeah, I don't know why I did that, but I was like, I'm here. Like he was gonna have like pom-poms or something for me. I don't know. But that I made a quick I don't know, like $27, $28 from the last 3 orders, so that was pretty cool. I'm excited about that. You know, the cool part about delivering food is that you get to see some of the restaurants in the area, and some of them look pretty cool. Like this is called the Sicilian Oven. It's pretty cool. I don't want to get too close because the music's playing, but It's called the Sicilian oven. It looks pretty cool. Tonight, I don't know, man. Tonight seemed like it's going. I'm already halfway at my mark, and it's only 9 o'clock at night. So I'm kind of excited about that because usually it'd be this late and I barely got anything on the books. You know what I mean? So it's pretty cool that it seems to be popping tonight. So hopefully get another. I'm about, like I said, halfway to my mark, and it's only 9 o'clock. So I'm hoping that I can hit my mark in the next few hours and be home by midnight. You know what I mean? But this is where I delivered to. I had to climb the steps. There's no elevators here. That's okay. I wouldn't have taken them if there were. So I had to realize that I'm exactly where I asked to be, because just a few weeks ago I was saying to myself, man, I don't have, like, all I do is go to this building for work, and I'm sitting in here for 8 hours of the day, and then I come home and I do what all day for nothing. And there's insanely a lot of background noise, but there's a plane going by. Here goes a car coming. So anyway, so I asked exactly where. This is exactly where I need to be. I asked to be. You know, I was like, I want to be moving around. I want to be on the go, because that way I can vlog and I have something to film, and I'm not just sitting here in a room doing nothing. You know what I mean? And then I was like, oh man, but I'm so tired. But you know, you want what you want, and like I'm starting to realize a whole lot of stuff that I asked for that is being given to me, and now I'm like, oh, I don't know what to do about it. You know, it's like, I'll pull my fucking head out of my ass and be like, yo, dude, this is what you've been asking for, and now you got it. Now this is it. You know what I mean? Go get it, make it happen. You want it, you don't want it because it doesn't look good. It doesn't look clean. You can't have it both ways. Like, this is the stuff that I'm telling myself, you know what I mean? I can't have it both ways. I have to have, you know, either I want it easy or I don't want it easy. And if I don't want it easy, then I need to stop complaining that it's not easy, you know what I mean? But I told Lexi today, man, I'm loving the adventure. I'm loving the sense of adventure. It just, you know, we need to make it work. So it can't just be a sense of adventure for the sake of nothing. Like, it needs to actually work, because this is how we're living. I think that was something that I struggled on with, was because I wanted the you can't ask for the grind and then get mad because it doesn't come packaged in the way that you want it to be packaged. The grind is the grind. You know what I mean? The grind it's ugly. It's brutal. It's supposed to be that way. You're not supposed to love the grind. The grind is a means to an end. You know what I mean? It's not supposed to be something to where it's this glamorous thing. No, it's not. And that was something that, you know, I'm like, well, damn, why can't it be like this? Well, I had to learn to accept it just the way it was. You know, the grind is special, and it's because it's gonna take out of you what it can get out of you to see what you're made of. You know what I mean? Like, that's what it comes. Damn, I just smacked my hand in the window. That's what it just comes down to. You know what I mean? Like, are you as strong as it takes to be what it is that you want to be. That's what it really comes down to. It. Are you as strong as it's going to take to be who you want to be? And if the answer is yes, you're going to have to go through the test. You're going to have to go through it. And if the answer is no, then you might be wasting your time. But I think that if you got to this point, then the answer is yes. The Lexi's on her way down here because I left without a key. So that last order I left with, I took that shit. That shit was $18, and I took it. I walked out the house. I left Lexi hanging, and I just was like, all right, I'm out. Bye. Now there's Harley. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Babe is on the other side of me right there.
Yeah, I'm a hot mess.
Yeah, she says she's a hot mess. Y'all don't want to see her. But anyway, I made my goal for the day. I can sleep easy tonight. So, with that,